Alright, we're going to begin practicing mouths and how to draw them. So remember, when we draw our face, the eyes go right in the middle. The nose, we divide the bottom section into three. The nose goes along that first third line, and then the mouth goes along this bottom line. And that's where the line of the mouth will fall about. And then the top lip will fall above that line, and the bottom lip will fall below that line. Also remember that we have our 5 eyes, and that the iris of the eye, or the pupil of the eye, is about where the corners of the mouth will fall. So if we draw a line down from the pupil of the eye, that's about how big our mouth should be. So I actually had it a little small, so that's where our mouth should go. Okay, so we're going to begin drawing our mouth, and I'm looking in a mirror, and I'm looking closely at the shape of my mouth. Yours is going to be different because you're a different person. So I'm going to start with the line of my mouth, and I'm looking closely at the shape of it. You see that the corners of my mouth come down a little bit. And that is like the shape of the line of my mouth when it is closed. Now I'm looking at the bottom lip. We're often tempted to draw mouths like this, but this isn't really what mouths look like. We need to look carefully at the specific shape of our mouths. And that is the shape of my mouth. Look closely also at this little dip right here above your lip. This shape gives your mouth dimension. It tells me that from my nose, my mouth comes out and it has dimension. So this little dip is kind of an important thing to include to create depth in your mouth and in your face. And then I also have kind of where my chin is. Also look, your top lip, because of the shadow, is always slightly darker than your bottom lip. So when I put shade in or value in, you're not going to do this yet, but when I do, I'll have a slight reflection on my bottom lip where the light hits it, and my top lip is going to be darker than my bottom because of the shading from my nose, the shadow from it. So that's how you draw your mouth. Look closely at your specific shape. This is my shape, so yours shouldn't look just like mine. Yours should look specific to you.